Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to reset Hatch Restore 2. So, in this case, there are a few things here that you need to do to probably reset this or reset your Hatch Restore. So, in this case, the first thing that you want to do here is you will first want to completely uninstall the Hatch app from your phone. So this can sometimes help if there are connection issues. Next, unplug the Hatch Restore 2 and leave it unplugged for about 2 to 3 minutes. So this gives it a chance to fully power down. Now, while it's actually unplugged, you want to locate the pairing button on the device. So press and hold this button down. Now, from there on, while you're still holding the pairing button, you want to plug the device back in and don't let it go off the button yet. Also, keep holding the pairing button for about 10 to 20 seconds until you see the reset graphic on the screen. This indicates that the device is resetting. Now, after the reset, your Hatch Restore 2 will act like a new device, and you can go ahead and set it up again. And that's about it. So, hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.